Hello, this is your girl Yolanda. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back again. This is my first time doing a get ready with me and reviewing some makeup that I received from the States. A lot of this makeup already been out for a while, and I know a lot of people has already done videos with it. So I am a beginner at makeup. And so I am trying something totally different from what I would do when I do videos. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. I already have moisturized my skin already. I did that already. So let's get into what I already applied. Did my eyebrows off of cameras, and like I said, I'm a beginner and they're not looking too hot right now, as you can tell. But I tried my best. Okay, so I applied my makeup and I used I love this primer. I know it's been out for a while, and I just received it. I live in China. I'm an English teacher in China, so I just received it from the States. My daughter sent it to me. Thanks, babe, I love you. Sent it to me. It's the TATCHA the silk canvas. I hope you can see the silk canvas, and I love it. It has my pores just right. I've used the LA Girl Pro Concealer in cool tan, and I also use this. Also, I know it's been out for a while. Also, this age rewind concealer, my Fenty Beauty in the shade 340. I have Fenty Beauty. And next I have my Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. I've done it already for my face. My daughter started me on this, and it is so good. I love it. I'm not for sure if you can see it, but I love it. It is coconut butter formula in Palms. It looks like a glue stick, but it's actually not a glue stick, see? But it's really, really good for my lips to keep it nice and moist. Okay, let's get into the new product I just received. My Shayla X ColourPop. Yes. When I seen this on the video, I'm like, oh, I gotta get it. I gotta get it. For real, guys. I had to get it. I called my daughter up and said, I need you to go to the store and get this for me. So she did it, and I appreciate her. And it's still new. And this is what it looked like. These shades are just beautiful. I love it. Love it. So we're going to be trying it out. Also, I got Shayla X ColourPop. This is Pose. Pose. And I love it. It's so pretty. Booming. Yes, I love the words for this. This is Booming. And they are two beautiful highlighters, too beautiful. So also I received my Hi-Fi Shine, love it in 1993. Love the color. Okay, first I'm gonna go in with a transitional shade. It is Princess Rose, but it doesn't have a name on it. See, Princess Rose, but I like it. It does the job what it need to. And I'm gonna go in with, what is this? Culture, right here. Culture. I might pronounce some words wrong, but please forgive me. Culture as a transitional. Oh, this is so pretty. Like I said, I'm an English teacher in China. I've been over here about eight months now, and I just love it. I haven't did too much traveling at all because I've been so busy, but I plan on doing some traveling before I leave. But this place is beautiful. China is a beautiful place. Tall buildings. It is just beautiful. The food is so authentic and magnificent. The people are Just sweet. They look at you crazy. Especially a black person. They look at you crazy. But they love seeing you. Okay, I did my transitional shade already, and I love it. Shayla, girl, you did this. You did this. I want to try thick. This color here. I want to try thick. Let's see. Ooh, they are very buttery too, and very pigmented. I like that. And there's no fallout at all. No fallout. So that's a good thing. Okay, I'm going to go in with thick. Ooh, very pretty. Yes. Yes, I love it. Love it. Love it. Yes. Ooh. Guys, I hope you can see this color. It is just beautiful. Go in with a shimmer shade. Let's see. I want to go in with a shimmer shade. And let me see what brush I'm going to use. This is a Sephora. This is from Sephora. This brush is from Sephora. I'm not going to wet it. I'm going to see how it does me wetting it. So I would like to try, I think I'm going to try this color. I'm going to try the Diva. Let's see how the Diva goes. Oh, yes, yes, yes. This is just beautiful. I'm just packing it on my eyelid here. This is beautiful. I don't know for sure if you can see it. And you don't need a lot at all, because it goes a long way. This product was made good. Very beautiful. Oh, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. If you can see it. But I love it. It just, woo, nice. Okay, I'm going to go into my inner eye here. I'm not for sure what you call it. Tear duct. I'm not for sure. I'm not for sure. Forgive me if I get it wrong. But I'm going to use Princess Rose brush. Just like this. And I'm going to go into the corner here with the same one. This is just beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. I like just that subtle, calm look. Not too much. I know you can go from day to night in this, and I like it. I like it. Okay, I'm going to go under my eye now. And this is a new brush I just received. It's Morphe Y21. Morphe Y21. So if you have any suggestions, please comment below. I would surely appreciate it. Don't drag me through the mud, though. Don't drag me through the mud, because I am new. Okay. Oh, yes, Lord, yes. Okay, and I'm going to go back in with the other color that I used. This is beauty. This is Pose. I'm going to put on Pose. Let me know what brushes I need to use when applying certain makeup. Please let me know. Here, this is also Princess Rose. I hope it's not too big for Pose. And I'm just going to apply it here. Ooh, Pose. Strike that pose. I like it. Ooh. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared, guys. Okay. Oh, yes. This is just beautiful. I don't know for sure if you guys can see it at all. I'm trying to capture it if you can see it. But that's Pose. This is very nice. You know what? I want to try apply some above my, under my eyebrow. Let's see. I'm gonna go back in with this Morphe brush. I mean Sephora brush, and I'm gonna try a little bit under there for there. Ooh, let's see. On the highest part of my. Ooh. Hold on. Oh gosh, yes. Oh man, yeah. You guys, I'm so glad to have my product. So glad. I'm very, very pleased with this product. Very pleased with it. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyelashes. I have BADGAL. What's this? Banji by Benefit. BADGAL Banji by Benefit. And this for your eyelashes. Ooh, you can go in light, or you can go in heavy and just get that dramatic look. So hopefully I can go in light. I don't wear eyelashes because my eyelashes already long enough. They are long enough. Oh yes. I'm gonna do my bottom one. This is something else. They're not gonna know who hit them when I walk up in this mall. Oh yes, this is just. Oh yes. Okay. See, next I'm going to go ahead and put my setting powder on, and I have it in Fenty Beauty. Let me do it this way. This is it here. Okay, let me apply a little bit of that on my face. Where is, oh, there it is. And I'm going in with my Real Technique brush here. Real Technique. Just gonna, apply some to set it in on the places that I know that I get oily on. And let me strike a pose on this nose. Oh Lord, yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. This, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is just stunning. Apply my High Five in 1993. Then I'm going to set my face with the Too Faced 3-in-1 Hangover. See here? I am so glad. So glad I received this makeup. This pose is beautiful. It is just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So let me go ahead and set my face with my Too Faced 3-in-1 Hangover. Cool it off a little bit. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off my hair. And I am done. So I hope you like it. I hope you can see see it okay, my makeup. Let me see. And I just love it. I love it. So thank you for going along with my Get Ready With Me. I will be doing more videos. Like I said, I am a beginner. This is my first time doing a Get Ready With Me. So I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, look at that pose. It's on it. It's struck. Look. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. So if you like my video, comment below, subscribe, and view. And you guys have a blessed day. And I love you. Goodbye.